Okay guys, I am now in the very south of Calabria, Italy, in this very small place, very small town called Corio. I came here because it is here, in this area of southern Calabria, that a few of the most famous abandoned cities in Italy are located. Today we're gonna start with the first abandoned town, one of the most amazing ones. It's called Pentedattilo. It was abandoned in the 1970s because of an earthquake, and it has been completely empty since, except for one habitant. Maybe we shall find him or her. Let's go check out this abandoned town before it starts raining again. Wow. This is just amazing, guys. Okay, I'm gonna leave my car somewhere here. Wow. Oh my god. Sì,
Perché non potevo stare più qui,
Sì.
perché le case se...
ma i vostri genitori erano di qua?
Sì, di Pentedattilo, sì, la mamma.
Siete sorelle?
Sì,
Capito, ok.
la nostra mamma è morta l'11 ottobre di quest'anno, aveva 94 anni.
Mhm.
Si è sposato qui, di questa chiesa, con
Wow.
mio papà.
Quando io ero bambina
Sì.
e arrivava qui,
Sì.
non c'aveva no luce e no acqua.
No acqua.
E la gente,
grande-
la gente ancora vivevano
Sì,
senza
prima
luce e
di-
senza acqua.
Esatto.
No.
I understand that there's a danger of collapsing here and this land is prone to earthquakes, but I mean, surely we live in 2021. Surely there's something that can be done. Why to abandon such a magnificent place? And here is the only well in town. So this was the water source. The people of Pentedattilo had no running water, so it is here, the well, where they would come to do their laundry, to get their drinking water, to get their... And we're not talking about the 19th or the 18th or the 17th century, no. We're talking about 50 years ago, in the 1970s. Here, look. There's a picture of the village people coming to fill the water here. Here we go. Let's enter the village. Wow. Maybe they didn't have running water or even electricity, but boy, they lived well. I mean, this right there is what I call a quality of life. So, this church dates to the year 1310. Here you have this portrait of some amazing view to the valley. Perché alla fine hanno lasciato?
Perché
Perché le
era
case-
detto che era pericoloso.
Capito.
Non c'è più niente.
Non c'è più niente perché le mura si stanno...
Le ricordi ci sono.
E diceva che qui da questa casa ci sono 5 generazioni.
Dunque,
Le cose che
vecchia,
non
veramente
pensavo
vecchia.
anche io.
That's what it looks like. Someone lives here. Ciao! 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 Basta! Perché? Ciao cucciolini. Look at those puppies. Ciao cucciolini. Oh, che carini che siete. Salve. Piacere. Ciao. Guys, look at those puppies. Wow. Bravo. Sì, bravo. it's a bit tragic because if this village wouldn't have been abandoned, it could have been one of the most amazing places in Calabria. Its strategic location makes it just perfect for tourists, for hotels, for boutique hotels. It's really a shame. Wow. Guys, check out this house. If this village was in Tuscany or in Emilia-Romagna, would it have been still abandoned? Wow, guys. How incredible this place has been. Guys, you won't believe it. Here in the middle of this abandoned town, I have found life. Ciao!
Prego, ciao.
Come ti chiami?
Daniela Lorenzi.
Piacere.
Io vivo qui proprio a Pentedattilo.
Come mai?
Perché è una scelta di vita, un posto molto solitario dove si può vivere serenamente, dove fai a meno volentieri della televisione, dei supermercati,
Sì.
della vita caotica, no?
Sì.
Quindi mi ritiro qui, ho deciso di ritirarmi qui e lavorare, insomma.
Quanti abitanti ci sono qua?
E qui ci sono al momento 4 abitanti, forse speriamo aumentino. Al
sì.
momento siamo in 4.
E non è pericoloso?
No, è più pericoloso vivere nelle città che qui.
Infatti.
No, assolutamente, qui è tranquillo.
Terremoti, non lo so.
No. E poi
Wow.
nella vita tutto è destino, voglio dire.
Sì. Grazie mille, in bocca al lupo.
Grazie a te.
Someone actually lives here. Such a quiet life it must be. Detached from civilization. Would you come and live here, all by yourself? In the hilltop, below the huge rock? It's pretty amazing if you ask me.
Il castello dovete salire qua sotto l'arco.
Ma l'ho fatto e c'è un cancello chiuso.
No, non dovete poi andare dove c'è il cancello. Salendo dovete rimanere sopra la destra. C'è una casa, dovete fare il sottopasso.
I'm determined to find this castle. We will find the castle, guys. Even if it's the last thing we'll ever do. Okay, I need to go through the house, he says. Through the house. Through the house. No, here there's no way through. Through here. No, there's nothing here. No, you must be kidding. There it is. Found it. We're going to the castle. This is like Lord of the Rings, guys. Stupendo. This is crazy. Here is where the castle laid. It was built into the rock. Can you see? Amazing. And this is another wall of the castle, right at the edge of the mountain. Incredible. An extremely strategic location for a castle, overlooking the entire zone, not to mention having a good look at the sea. You can really see the sea from here, so if there's an invasion coming from the shore, you will know about it and you can prepare. Oh my god. Not sure I want to step on the edge of that rock. It is here, from the hilltop, that I will end this video. Behind me, this monstrous piece of rock protecting the village downstairs for millennia. And although the village was abandoned in 1971, it does give me hope to see some new people coming to revive this place. People who want something a bit different. A new way of life, detached from the city. As Daniela said down there, living in the city is even more dangerous. And besides, what could be healthier than waking up every day to this? See you on the next one, guys. As the sun is setting, I had to show you this. Look at this color. The city is just red from the sunset. How amazing is that? Look at this color.